Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to add an admin to a Facebook page. Let's start, and please subscribe to the channel. Click on the page you want to assign the role. Go to the settings option. Now click on the page roles. Enter the username/email address to assign a new role. Select the admin role and click on the Add. For verification purpose, Facebook will ask your password. Enter that. Now a request will be sent to the person. Whenever the person accepts the request, he or she will be eligible to manage the page as per the role. So this is how you can assign a person to admin of Facebook page. Thank you for watching and have a good day.